With school coming to an end this year, I wanted to show you an easy way to mark the occasion. Grab a ceramic tile and your favorite paint and create this wonderful keepsake. Start by wiping off the tile to remove any dust or dirt. Paint your child's hand, giving it an even coat. Gently press their hand on the tile and slowly lift their hand to leave the handprint. Don't forget to add your child's name and the year. Allow the print to dry and coat with your favorite sealant. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful summer of crafting.